When it comes to VR, visuals are only half the story. What truly makes digital worlds come alive is how we interact with them. That's why the upcoming Meta Quest 4 is expected to revolutionize haptic feedback and hand tracking to key areas that could redefine how we experience virtual environments. Next-gen haptic feedback. Haptics refers to the tactile feedback you feel when using a device like the vibration in a game controller or the buzz of a smartphone. But in VR, haptics can go far beyond simple vibrations, simulating textures, resistance, and even impact. The current Quest controllers provide decent haptic feedback, though it remains fairly basic. With the Quest 4, Meta is rumored to be developing advanced multi-point haptic technology, allowing for more precise and immersive feedback. Imagine actually feeling the weight of a sword, the recoil of a firearm, or the subtle click of a virtual control panel. You could differentiate between the roughness of a wooden door and the cold smoothness of a steel vault, making virtual interactions feel truly tangible. Advanced hand tracking. No. Let's talk about hand tracking, the feature that could make controllers obsolete. The Quest 2 and Quest 3 already support hand tracking, letting users navigate VR environments with their bare hands. However, current implementations have limitations, including reduced accuracy when hands move too fast or overlap. Meta has been refining this technology, and the Quest 4 may introduce near-seamless hand tracking, even in challenging lighting conditions or fast-motion scenarios. This means no need for controllers for basic interactions. Natural gestures like pinching, swiping, pointing, and grabbing, faster interactions without reliance on button-based menus. Smoother UI control across games, apps, and productivity tools. Imagine entering your virtual home, raising your hand, and swiping open a digital screen. Picture yourself typing on a floating keyboard or playing an instrument using just your fingers. No gloves, no extra gear, just pure motion detection. For newcomers to VR, this could make adoption easier than ever, eliminating steep learning curves and making interaction second nature. Beyond gaming, the future of VR interaction. This technology isn't just for gamers. Advanced hand tracking could transform VR fitness offering full range motion tracking for workouts. Workspaces enabling intuitive gestures for seamless productivity. Social VR bringing avatars to life with expressive hand gestures. Education letting students manipulate virtual objects with real-world accuracy. Some leaks even suggest Meta is working on an enhanced gesture prediction, where the headset learns your movements and adjusts responsiveness to create a near-instantaneous reaction. Combined with improved haptics, this could bring us the most intuitive, controller-free VR experience yet. Coming up next. While visuals often steal the spotlight, interaction is just as critical. The Meta Quest 4 might finally create a VR experience where your hands are the only controllers you need. And that's not all. Another game-changing upgrade is on the horizon. Longer battery life and smarter power management. Ensuring your VR adventures last even longer.